What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a third update on the 1932 Ford chopped sedan, and this is a appreciation build for Tom of Airbrush 69, and I got quite a bit done this weekend. It was a kind of crappy weekend, so I did nothing but painting on Friday, and then the weekend just nothing, just doing pure assembly. So let's go ahead and show you where we're at, and this might, well, yeah, it might be possibly the last update before the final, so I'm really looking forward to this. It's actually looking it's looking really cool. So let's go ahead and go through the parts that's outside. So we got partially the interior built up. I couldn't build the whole thing because I gotta put the seats in the floor once it's into the body, because the seats, they kind of like stick out of the floor and be a little difficult to get them in, with the body. So gonna put the interior in, then put the seats in, and when the body's on, and it'll be much easier. But to get the shifter on there, I do have to paint the black, or I'm not sure. I might keep that chrome, but we'll probably paint the tip black. But very cool. So that's the floor pan, nothing basic right there. And then also we got the back half right here, nice and flocked, and this will just go on top like that, like so. Then I might put some magazines in there and stuff, like he's going to, car shows. He needs something, to keep him entertained while he's just waiting there all day. Then speaking of seats, here's the seats. We did like a light tan seats. Looks pretty good. Nice contrast to this this color. So I know some people will be out there like, ugh, tan interior, but I don't really mind tan interiors on some cars. And then we got the steering wheel. The steering wheel is from Miguel, our Hobby Works. So we got that, and that looks pretty cool. It's like a nice flat bottom steering wheel. Looks, very nice. So there's that, and then we got the dashboard. Did the dashboard in the same body color. This is from the 29 and 30 Ford from Miguel, and that looks pretty nice. And then we just get the steering column in there. Now I got to see if I have decals for the beach cluster. I'm pretty sure I do. But yeah, very nice. Did a nice dashboard. Did that body color. Then for the outside parts, we got the headlights right here. Did them in body color as well. These are again also from the 29 and 30 Ford from Miguel. These are the large headlights, and then painted the inside in the Molotov chrome pen, so the glass will reflect off that. We got the door handles here. I was thinking I did paint them gloss black because I was gonna chrome them, but for the paint scheme I have going on here, I have a lot of black, like the roof rack or the roof assembly here and the grill. Then it did in black, so I figured, we'll just do black for the door handles as well. Just had that contrast. And speaking of roof, here is the roof frame. Clear coat this as well. Just jet black from Splash Paints, and then 2K clear on top of that. And then we got the what you call it, the curtain, you want to call it. Did that in rubber black from N.Y.S. That looks pretty good. I might do like a semi-gloss clear on this because I don't really want it that matte, but that looks pretty darn good. And then we got the handle to roll it up and down in chrome, so that looks good. Speaking of chrome, we got all the brakes and stuff here in chrome. Those look phenomenal, very nice. So those look really good. So we got the front and back brakes, they're all same size. And then we got the battery here, and then we got the gas tank. Gas tank and battery are also from the 29 and 30 Ford from Miguel. So very cool. Had this looked over. And speaking of chrome, I did go back to my my good old trusty Alcrata chrome. I did use the super chrome on my last build, but I don't know. I don't really care for the super chrome from AK. That's just my opinion. It didn't look too light for me. The Alcrata chrome looks way more realistic to me, to my opinion. So that's why I went back to it. The exhaust, I did something pretty special. I did like a heat shield exhaust. You can see the texture on there. That looks really good. I figured, let's try something different, and the heat shield looks really cool. I'm gonna do how-to, so I'll tell you my tricks I did on that, but that looks really good. So the how-to video probably won't be out until, probably Saturday. So we got that, we got that, and then move on to the wheels and tires. Here's the wheels and tire package. These things look phenomenal, really nice. We got the tires, and I did them in the Tamiya rubber black. If you saw my how-to video, I did a how-to on this, and it literally legit looks like rubber. It looks really good. It has that texture to it. If you saw my how-to, you know that the technique I use has that texture. Look at that, it looks really nice. It really looks like rubber. Then the wheels, just a jet black, again from Splash Paints, same as the roof rack, and painted in 2K clear. And then we got the Malto chrome pen on the hubcap. So that looks really good. So those are the back tires, and these are the front ones. The front ones are just, just a tad bit smaller. Like I said in my previous updates, the front ones are just smaller. The back ones are just a bit bigger, but they are the same width. That's how I want it on this build, and I got it, and it looks really good. Now, let's move on to the big boy. This is a chassis. Get these out of here. And then, look at this beauty. So, I'm going to tell you, this is basically all 3D printed, except the Vessi stacks and the button pulleys. Button pulleys are from Parts by Parks, and the Vessi stacks is from Detail Master. Everything else is 3D printed. Well, except the radiator hose, obviously. That's from Budget Lines from Potec. But other than that, the engine, the grille, the front suspension, rear end, chassis even, transmission, engine alone is all 3D printed, and this thing looks amazing. So I did it all in body color, well, most of it in body color. Just had that nice contrast, and a lot of these hot rods, they're, people paint them in body color because there's a lot of it, visible. So the chassis did 2 coats of clear, engine 2 coats, and the grille obviously is part of body, so that's 3 coats of clear. The headlights got 3 coats of clear, and the dashboard got 2 coats of clear. But that looks really good. We got the open grille there. The grille is from Miguel over at Hobby Works. It's an open grille. You can kind of see the radiator in there, so that looks really nice and really good in there. And then we got the electric fan over here, if you can see it. So we got that. Then we got the radiator hose and all that good stuff going on. And then there's the button pulleys. Again, those are from Parts by Parks. This thing looks absolutely amazing. And then they did a titanium gold on that right there, and that looks really good. That's from Outcred as well. So carburetors, there we go. Couldn't think of it. The 3 carbs got titanium on that, and that looks really good. Nice contrast right there. And then the distributor, again 3D printed. The distributor wires is from what is that from? That's from, I can't remember what company that's from, but yeah, Go For Racing. There we go, Go For Racing. So really nice. And then we got the chrome on the front suspension, chrome on the valve covers, chrome under the oil pan and transmission pan, and then we got chrome on the suspension back here. So it looks really good, and I'm really happy how this chassis turned out. And again, it's all 3D printed. It just except the minor things. So really good. It took a bit, because there's obviously no instructions, but you don't really need instructions for this. It's pretty straightforward, but it looks absolutely incredible. I love how that looks. And then let's move on to the body. Best part, I did do a short on this because this body color, again, is from Splash Paints, Cinnamon Stick. It's a Dodge color. This color looks absolutely beautiful on this body. I still have to polish it and stuff, so there might be some pivots on here. Yeah, it's pivot right there, but not too big deal. Let's send it out and polish it. Give it a nice glossy finish. I mean, it looks really good from Airbrush, so all I have to do is just polish this. Just sand the pivots out. I think there's one little pivot right there on the front hood. But other than that, the whole body is very clean. So I'll just give it a nice polish job. Wax on, wax off, and we're good to go. And yeah, this thing looks amazing. I might do the window frame in black, just because I had that black contrast going on with the grille and the roof. The speaking roof, we'll go ahead and put that on for just show you how it looks. Yeah, that looks really good. Oh yeah, that looks super nice. So we got that going. But other than that, it looks really good. The interior, I might just paint it brown. I'll get my electric airbrush out and paint that in the brown. But yeah, this looks, I'm really happy how this paint job turned out. That turned out really nice. Yeah, I'm really digging this build so far. It's really good. It might be done by next weekend. Who knows? Depends how much I get done during the week. Especially, I don't know. It's a work week, so I don't really get much time during the week, but we'll see. But other than that, that's it. I definitely got a lot done during the weekend. This thing alone took about 10 hours to assemble, just this right here. And it took a bit, but it's totally worth it, and it looks absolutely incredible. But other than that, that's it for this video, guys. Again, this might be the last update. Who knows? There might be another one, but we'll see. I do have a full-on painting video. I have a 2-part painting video because I know you guys like these painting videos of me painting the body. So first part will be out tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and then I'll have the second part come out on Wednesday. So I got a couple of those videos. They're already scheduled. I got them edited and stuff, so they're ready to go. But other than that, guys, that's it for this video. I can't wait to see how this looks. And Tom, I've been texting Tom and sending Tom some of these pictures, and Tom is really digging it. So really cool. But alright, guys, that's it for this video. And until my next video, I'll catch you next time. Take it easy.